Hey, it's Nate with MailerLite. If you're watching this video, that means you're at the beginning of our ultimate guide to email marketing. This is the first episode, so congratulations, you're on your way to being an email marketing rock star. So the first step is creating and maintaining a high quality email list. That may seem hard, but there's actually a science to it, and I'm going to tell you what that is, so let's jump in. So building your email list is like making a new friend. You need to find common interests and be helpful. So I'll give you an example. Let's say that you and I meet and I say, hey, let's split a pizza, I've got a coupon, and if you want to go get pizza again sometime, here's my contact information. So what did I just do there? I just did three things. I offered you something you want, at a discount, pizza, cheap pizza, even better, and I made it easy to keep the communication going. Those three things are what you need to do with email marketing. Know what your users want, give them offers that they like, and make it easy to subscribe. So when you start growing your email list, you're going to design places for your users to go, landing pages on your website. These pages should look good, be easy to understand, and easy to navigate towards signing up and subscribing. So add sign-up forms. Every page should be an opportunity to build your list. MailerLite has a web form builder to help you do that. These can go at the top of the sidebar, in a blog, you can put it in a permanent footer. You should use Google Analytics to figure out your most popular pages and put your sign-up forms there. Usually this is your about page, so you might want to try there first. Okay, hang with me guys, we're going to talk about pop-ups. There's a right way and a wrong way to use them. It can pop up when your user leaves, it can pop up on the sidebar where you're not blocking important content. You need to balance a great user experience while still using your website effectively to capture your emails and build your list. Make sure to track your effectiveness of those pop-ups. Are they increasing subscriptions? How many users bounce when they get a pop-up? What's your bounce rate on your website as a whole? Your metrics should really dictate how you use your pop-ups to find that good balance where people aren't going to be put off by them. All right, let's talk about landing pages a little bit more. All of your social media and advertising should lead to a high quality landing page with the ability to subscribe. You can use LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and other pages to offer contests, free downloads, or discounts, and lead users to those landing pages that you can design in MailerLite. They're gorgeous, you should check it out. So here's a few recommendations before you get started doing that. Keep subscribing simple. Don't overload the page. Use a strong headline showcasing the offer and back it up with a few bullet points or a sentence. Use beautiful HD images. The user should feel really good about this experience. Keep the forms short. Don't overload them. Just give them the capture email and any other information that you need. Keep it easy. Use a contrasting color to make your subscribe button pop on the page. Last but not least, experiment, use A/B testing in MailerLite to see which types of landing pages work best for your brand and your customers. You can build as many as you like and test however you'd like to find the best possible option. So we mentioned a lot of social media, but we left out the big one. What about Facebook? All those likes and follows that you have, those are actually worth something. MailerLite integrates with Facebook so you can embed your lead gen forms directly on Facebook's platform. Okay. We covered digital, it's what we're doing right now, we're doing the digital thing, but what about the real world? What about sticking your hand out and actually getting that handshake? You might meet customers in your store, on a sales call, at a trade show. Sure, you could collect business cards manually, but there's an easier way. There's an app for that. MailerLite's iPad app makes it easy to collect emails and obtain permission. The emails are automatically linked to your MailerLite account, making it easy to add new users to your list. So we have come up with a way for you to add a high quality list of users to your email list as in pretty much every way possible. You can do it in person, you can do it digitally, we've got it all figured out. So why do all of this? Why not just buy some spammy email from some random shady person on the internet? Well, there's a lot of reasons to not do that, but the main point is that a quality email list that you've curated is full of engaged subscribers who want to hear from you. These people want a relationship with you, and that's an amazing opportunity. You work really hard to get your subscribers, so the last thing you want to do is lose them. While it's normal to lose a percentage of your email list every year, there are several things that you can do to minimize that churn. Everything you need to know is published on our ultimate guide over at MailerLite.com/blog. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can go there and read all 10 chapters whenever you'd like. Guys, thanks so much for joining us for our first episode on the Ultimate Guide to Email Marketing. If you like learning more about email marketing, We would be your biggest fan if you hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Get to know our remote team and ask us questions. We've got a great support team that's always there for you, and they'll get right back to you if you have any technical questions along the way. We're really here to help you guys. I'm Nate. We'll see you for the next episode of The Ultimate Guide to Email Marketing next time.